Greetings and welcome to another how-to video. Today we will explain how to use the FM2100 FoodSaver vacuum sealer. First, plug the device in. Next, switch the lever on the right-hand side to open. Lift the top lid. Drop in a roll of vacuum sealing material. Be sure to feed it under the bar. Pull out the amount of material you will need. Cut the material with the cutting attachment. Remove the material and flip it over. Put the end of the material into the trough and smooth it flat. Close the lid. Change the lever on the right-hand side to operate. Press the button to determine dry or wet food. Press the seal button. Wait until the light goes out. Switch the lever on the right-hand side to open. Remove the bag. Place food in the open end of the bag you've created. Put the end of the material into the trough and smooth flat. Change the lever to operate mode. Press the vac seal button. The device will remove the air from the bag and seal. Do not remove the bag until finished. Unit will begin sealing automatically. When the light goes out, the sealing process is finished. Move the lever to open, lift up the lid and remove the bag. Inspect to ensure the item is sealed.